My Orange Blossom Martini is a vodka-based cocktail that gets a triple shot of orange flavor by combining orange vodka, Cointreau, and freshly squeezed orange juice. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for a cocktail, and today we're going to make my Orange Blossom Martini. Now, the Orange Blossom Martini is a really fun drink. It's bright and refreshing, and there's lots of versions out there. Some of them use really exotic ingredients, orange water, orange blossom syrup, things like that. This is my take. It's easy and it's refreshing. And it's one of those cocktails that you can have as a martini, which is the way I like it, or you can have it over the rocks in a big Collins glass that you can just sip on a nice warm spring day. We're going to start with vodka. Now, I'm going to use an orange flavored vodka today. There's lots of orange vodkas out there, and I'm going to show you a few. Here's one. This is peach and orange blossom. It's very good. And yes, I've tried all of these vodkas while making this drink. I like this one, but it has the peach in it. Then there's a regular orange vodka. You may like this brand. It's good. I like it. But today, I'm going to be using something a little different. I found this blood orange vodka, and I find that it has a more intense orange flavor. It's delicious. So we just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Right in our glass. Next up is an orange liqueur. I'm using today Cointreau. You could use triple sec, but Cointreau is a little more expensive. It has, again, a more rounded, deeper orange flavor. I just need 1 ounce or 30 mils. Right in our glass. Next up is the real orange flavor, and that comes from freshly squeezed orange juice. Now this is pulp free. I strained all the pulp out of it. I just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. All right, now I need some ice. You know what's going to come up next. It's time for the shaky. Here we go. All right. Just hit it. There we go. All right, now I have a nice chilled martini glass here. I keep mine in the freezer. If you have room, keep yours in the freezer. It makes all the difference. We're going to double strain this because there's little ice crystals in there and I don't want them in my cocktail. So here we go. What a great color that is. Now we need a little garnish. I have some strips of orange peel, and all I did was I took a vegetable peeler and just took some thin strips of the peel right off the orange, and it got very little of the pith. So what we're going to do is we want to give it one more little boost of flavor, and that's from the oils in this orange rind. All you have to do is squeeze it over, and that gets all those oils to shoot across right into that drink. Let's give this a little taste. Very, very good. It's orange on top of orange on top of orange. It's refreshing and light. Now, you may think this is just a screwdriver with a little extra, but it's not. It's much more sophisticated and smooth. All right, if you like this episode, do us a favor and sign up for our newsletter, and you'll get a recipe every week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll never miss an episode. Now I'm going to go and put my feet up and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.